Pitch Kickstart for ChatGPT. Listen up y'all, I got some real talk for ya. Mike the Boss Man checking in with ya. Using the AI software and chat to talk with ya. About a software that's gonna change the way you sell you. Pitch Kickstart, that's the name. Gonna take your sales game to the top, and bring the pain. This ain't no ordinary software, it's the real deal. With its cutting-edge features and powerful appeal. Gonna help you create presentations that are hardcore. Leaving your audience in awe, and begging for more. Picture this, slides that are sick, and packed with info. Engaging, persuasive, and leaving your competition low. No more boring presentations, this software is graphic. Gonna make you the king of sales, it's automatic. And let me tell you, this software is loaded. With templates, graphics, and tools, you're always equipped. No more time wasting, no more stressing. Pitch Kickstart is the solution to your sales, no jokes, no messing. I've never seen anything like it, Pitch Kickstart is insane. Changed the way I sell, and helped me close more than I've ever gained. So why settle for less, when you can have the best? Pitch Kickstart OTO bundle is the real test. Upgrade your sales game, and watch your success soar. With Pitch Kickstart, you'll be the real boss man on the sales floor. Don't wait, don't hesitate, get your hands on the OTO bundle today. Gonna take your sales to the top, and make your competition pay. Go to my affiliate link in the description, and get ready to sell. Easier and more than you ever have, quicker than you ever thought. With Pitch Kickstart, you'll be unstoppable, and everyone will know you well. Get in the game with us today and join now.